Hi everyone! I'm Carla from Shopping Apps Tips PH and welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Alam mo ba na pwede mo nang i-link ang ShopeePay at SPay Later mo direkta sa Maribank app? Hindi mo na kailangang maghanap pa sa Shopee. Nandito na agad sa dashboard. So ang gagawin po natin ay Step 1, i-open lang po natin ang ating Maribank app. And then, step 2, scroll down lang natin. And then, makikita po natin dito yung use ShopeePay and SPay Later. Link your account in the Maribank app. And then, step 3, i-click lang po natin yun para mag-start ang linking process. Step 4, link your ShopeePay wallet to your Maribank account. Pay anywhere, make fast and secure payments online and offline with Maribank and ShopeePay. Link with ShopeePay wallet. Link your ShopeePay wallet to manage funds easily. ShopeePay is not a deposit account. It is not covered by the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation or PDIC. So yon, i-click na po natin itong link ShopeePay dito sa baba. And then, confirm ShopeePay linkage. Maribank will link in the ShopeePay wallet connected with this mobile number. So yon, i-click na po natin itong proceed. Facial verification. So meron po palang facial verification to make the verification smoother. So i-remove lang po natin ang mask or any object that blocks your face. And make sure your environment is well lit. Start verification. So, i-click lang natin yan. So, yon, your ShopeePay and Maribank accounts are now linked. Congratulations! You can now use your ShopeePay account inside the Maribank app. So, i-click na po natin ang got it. So, yon, nakalink na po ang ating ShopeePay and SPay Later dito sa Maribank. So, hindi na po tayo mahihirapang mag-cash in kasi nakalink ng ating SPay Later and ShopeePay gamit ang ating Maribank. So, ayan lang, ganun lang po kadali i-link ang ShopeePay at SPay Later sa Maribank. Diretso na sa dashboard, mabilis at convenient. So, that's it. I hope meron po kayong natutunan sa video na ito. Kung meron, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Hello everyone! Update lang po. Pwede rin po pala nating i-link yung SPay Later gamit ang ating Maribank app. Ayan. Makikita po natin dito sa right side yung access SPay Later, manage your SPay Later account and repay bills in the Maribank app. I-click lang po natin itong link. And then access SPay Later on Maribank. Buy now, pay later with SPay Later. Easy SPay Later repayments. Monitor your SPay Later information. So, i-click lang po natin itong link with SPay Later. And then, Shopee would like to get, so nawala siya kasi na-link na siya. Ito na yung nakalagay sa akin ngayon. I-click na lang po natin ang view. Ayan. So, makikita po natin dito ang ating available credit and then yung ating next bill. So, ang aking due date is every 15th of the month. Kaya ganyan siya kasi dito na rin ako umu-order ng mga restock kapag nauubusan kami. Kasi ang laking discount din dito sa Shopee, lalo na kapag naka-VIP ka, meron siyang 20% daily interest kapag ikaw ay naka-VIP. So, yun lang. I hope meron po kayong natutunan sa video na ito. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.